Hey guys, welcome. It's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you guys something different. As an ambassador of African music baseline, I am an ambassador actually. So I have something differently to show you guys. And I feel every African bass player should know this. Right? It's very simple. It's a very popular progression. We all know. Right? So I'm using this key. So this is actually my F sharp. So I actually tone down half step. So using this progression. Right? This is an African progression, African bassline progression, African kind of music progression. Right? So fa, mi, fa, right? So fa, mi, again, fa, mi, fa, so fa, mi. So some people can go fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, right? You can just alternate it like that. Some actually can go fa, mi, re, right? Mi, fa, mi, or fa, mi, re, then so, fa, mi. But today we're just using fa, mi, fa, right? Then so, fa, mi, right? So let's say the beat is going chat, 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 chat. So this bass line actually is actually made for Africans. Either you're from Nigeria, Ghana mostly. Nigeria and Ghana, right? We actually have or use this kind of sound mostly, right? Nigeria, Ghana, or any of the other African countries, right? You can actually learn it. It's actually something I feel every African bass player should learn, right? Using the particular progression. Sorry. Right? So when playing African songs or African kind of bass line, most especially, first of all, your right hand here have to come close here, close to the fretboard here. It should not be here, right? Because if it's here, it's going to give you that round percussive sound you're looking for. All right, then you put your low end has to be there, and maybe a little of your mid range to give you that nasal and percussive sound you're looking for, right? So, but it just depends on how you want to feel also, right? So just put it like that. So your hand, most especially your hand has to be here, not at the middle here or back here, right? It has to be close here, right? So let me just play the bass line, right? Slowly. That is all. So let me go again slowly. Right? Then you can add second one like right there. You can just have two. Sorry, my amp is faulty. So you can just have two lines, right? So sorry. So let's go again. 1, 2, go. You see how it sounded, right? So let me just call out the notes, straight to the point. So I'm playing re, mi, fa, do. Like I said, your right hand has to be here. So re, mi, fa, do, mi, mi, do. So mi, mi, so, do, mi, fa, do. Right? Re, mi, fa, do. Right? Mi, mi, so, do, mi, fa, do. So that's the first line. So re, mi, fa, do, mi, mi, so, do, mi, fa, do. Re, mi, fa, do, mi, mi, so, do, mi, fa, do. Right? So then re, mi, so, so. Re, mi, fa, la, so, so. Re, mi, fa, la, so, so. So let's try both of them too. Re, mi, fa, do. Right, so re, mi, fa, do, mi, do. Re, mi, fa, do, mi, so, do, mi, fa, do. Re, mi, fa, la, so, so. Right? Re, mi, fa, do, mi, so, do, mi, fa, do. Re, mi, fa, la, so, so. Right then. Ti, ti, so. Re, fa, mi, ti. Right? Ti, ti, so, re, fa, mi. Then ti, so, so. Right? So so ti, ti, so, re, fa, mi, ti, so, so. So I'm actually using this thumb here, right? Mostly, it's more comfortable for me. So you can just use any of the fingers that is actually more comfortable for you. So sorry. You see it, right? So this bass line is a must. As an African bass player, you must learn this. You must learn this, right? So what I'm playing there, like I said, re, mi, fa, do, mi, so, do, mi, fa, do. Right then, re, mi, fa, la, so, so. Ti, ti, so, re, fa, mi, ti, so, so. You get it? So, I can go like that. So, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa. That progression, right? So, fa, mi. So let's go now. Right, so you can actually add the second one. The same thing. Right, you can just alternate it. So re, mi, fa, do, mi, so, do, mi, fa. Right then. La, fa, re, mi, fa, la, so, so. Right? You see how it's going, right? So you can add the second one now. Sorry. You see? So let's try playing the both of them together. So let's go clean. 1, 2, go. Hi. Sorry, I'm mixing it up, right? It's a little bit crazy. So you see, right? So 1, 2, go. So like I said, it's a bass line that is a must. As an African bass player, you must use this line. You must learn it, actually. Something I feel you should learn, right? Yes. So let me play it again. That's all about the bass line. So re mi fa do mi so do mi fa do, right? Re mi fa la so so ti so re fa mi ti so so. Second one now. Re mi fa do, right? Mi so do mi fa la fa re mi fa la so so, right? So then you just continue. Ti so re fa mi ti so so, right? Let's play it in its entirety now, in general. I did forget that side very well. So let's go. Just try it with the metronome, right? It's an interesting line. I usually use this kind of lines. I have more of this kind of line I've created to use, right? So this is actually one of them. I just feel to just come and share to you guys to learn. As an African musician, African bass player, you should learn this. I'm going to see you in my next lesson. I will be dropping a part 2 of this kind of line also. Thank you so much. Please, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop new videos. I'm going to see you soon.
Hello guys, my name is Kelvin James. I'm a professional award-winning bass player with over 2 decades of playing actively and over 9 years of teaching consistently. I've taught over 1,000 students both online and offline, right? So I have experience. I did try. So if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to play the bass, you have no idea of what the bass guitar is all about, and you want to start, I have a course compiled on Udemy. Right, it's very comprehensive and affordable. I'm sure you can afford it. And also, if you're an intermediate, you want to get advanced, right, in your play, I also like you to get the course. It's very affordable, like I said earlier, very affordable, right? The link is on my bio, and I also drop the link in the comment section. Please go get it. I'm sure you're not going to regret it. Also, if you want the private classes with me, send me a DM so we can talk actually, right? So it's actually different plan altogether, right? But I'm sure you can also afford it. I'm going to see you guys. Thank you.